Hey guys, I'm back with some human hair that I'm super excited about because I picked up this unit from Sunber Hair. They are one of my most favorite human hair wig makers, so I'm super excited to show you the wig that I ordered. If you are new here, please consider subscribing as I upload almost daily. If you're an oldie but goodie, welcome back. So if you are an oldie but goodie, y'all know how much I love Sunber Hair. They are one of my most favorite human hair wig makers. I can't remember what I picked up. Y'all know, because I have so much hair, I can't remember what I picked up. But if you look in the description box, I put a direct link to this wig as well as all of the details. Only thing I've done was take this out of the shipping packaging because I like to do everything on camera with you guys. So the wig came in this hard yellow box. And then, besides the wig, Sunber did include some extras. And y'all know I always tell y'all the extras matter to me. So what they've included are an edge band, some press-on nails, some HD stocking caps, okay, and that whole setup again, another edge band with a different pattern, some more press-on nails, some more wig caps, and 2 flexi rods. Okay, so those little extras matter to me. I told y'all, as I'm signing away my life, getting this hair makes me feel a little bit better. So I'm reading the details about this wig directly off this packaging. But like I said, look in that description box and you'll see what this is. I'm sorry, I'm watching the news. All right, so this is a Jerry curly wig. It is 20 inches long and it's in this beautiful, beautiful, beautiful 33B color. Let me take it out of this bag and let's look at this cap construction. Y'all, look at how pretty this color is. Oh my gosh. That is so pretty. Ooh, and it's going to be pretty with this background. That is such a beautiful, beautiful color. And I love that I got 20 inches. Not doing too much, okay? As far as this cap construction goes, everything has been done for you. Like, y'all know I love these everything wigs by Sunber. If you look, everything has been pre-plucked. It's already colored. Like, it's just a beautiful thrown and go unit. If you look at the cap construction, okay, I can't remember what parting space I got, but like I said, look in that description box and you'll see. You also have 2 slots for the glueless band that they have included that is adjustable. And then in the back, you have an extended comb and some more adjustable straps. This cap is super, super stretchy, which is also a big plus in my book, okay? What I'm going to do is, before I wet it or anything, I'm going to put it on my hair so you guys can see how these curls look directly out of the pack. Then you'll see me spray it down with some water and leave-in conditioner. I'll give you a 360, and then I'll be back with my final thoughts, you guys. Be right back. Alright guys, so I'm back with my final thoughts on this gorgeous, gorgeous wig from Sunber Hair. I know that was super quick, but that speaks to how amazing these wigs are. Y'all know I have a little checklist of what I'm looking for when I'm putting on a wig. Affordability, they check that box. Ease, because I can't comb hair, they check that box. And quality, definitely check that box. I don't have a single con about this unit. Everything about this unit was wonderful, and that is why I can 110% recommend this one. But y'all, I went back and I looked. Every single wig that I've gotten from Sunber Hair, I feel that way about. They are at a 100% accuracy when it comes to how they describe these wigs and what I get home. So I definitely can recommend that you go and pick this one up. If this color isn't for you, y'all, trust me, at this point, you can go look on my channel. I reviewed this wig in a more natural, like a blackish color. So I definitely can recommend it, but I don't think you will go wrong with any wig that you pick up from Sunber Hair. If you look in the description box, I'll put a direct link to it, as well as all the details on this one that's on my head, because I think that this color is so flattering that it would look good on a plethora of skin tones. Go check it out. Talk to me in the comments. Tell me what your thoughts are on these coppery curls. Until next time, y'all, which will be very soon. Bye, guys.